Here's why I think the Microsoft Surface headphones will flop. Okay, now, before I tell you why it's gonna flop, first I need to provide some background information. A few days ago, Microsoft launched a few new products, the Surface Pro, Surface Laptop, and Surface Studio devices, but nobody expected the Surface headphones because, yeah, there had been some rumors circulating that Microsoft was making a pair of headphones, but nobody expected that Microsoft would launch a working product. Then this dropped. So The Verge was there and they reported that Microsoft announces noise-cancelling Surface headphones coming in time for the holidays for $350. Now, this is why I think that the Surface headphones would fail. And it's not because it's a bad product. All the journalists who tried the product at the launch came away pretty, I wouldn't say impressed, but they said, yeah, it's a viable product. Nobody said that it was groundbreaking. Everybody thought that yes, it was cool that Microsoft was launching this pair of headphones to compete against the Bose and Sony noise cancelling headphones. Remember, this is noise cancelling. Now, let's take a closer look at this product. These are noise cancelling headphones. They are wireless. They run on Bluetooth 4.2. Microsoft says there are 8 microphones in total, so 4 in each ear cup. 2 of those microphones in each ear cup are beam-forming microphones, so they are the ones that take care of your noise cancelling. As you can see here, there's a USB-C charging port, so you get a reversible jack and USB-C fast charging. So here's what's really interesting about these headphones. It uses a dial on each ear cup to adjust the volume level and the noise cancelling level. So basically you turn the left dial to adjust the noise cancelling level and the right dial to adjust your volume. This is quite similar to the control scheme of the Plantronics Backbeat Pro line of headphones. So it's quite interesting to see Microsoft adopting this approach. Contrast that to Bose headphones. Bose headphones use buttons and buttons only, whereas Sony headphones use touch sensitive controls and swipe controls. So I think in my opinion, I actually prefer this way of adjusting the volume. It's more intuitive, but I'm not so sure about the noise cancelling dial. It's a 13-step dial, so if you turn it all the way one side, it cancels your noise totally. If you turn it all the way the other side, it allows the maximum amount of ambient noise to pass through to you. I actually prefer the Sony approach. I think that approach is more simple. You tap the right ear cup to allow ambient sound to pass through to you. I think I would prefer that, but that is not the reason why I think the headphones will flop. Okay, here's the thing. This is the first time Microsoft has released a pair of noise cancelling headphones, and already they are pricing it at $350. I think that's very bold, but I don't think it's very wise because Sony and Bose, these are brands that are very much associated with great audio equipment. Speakers, headphones, and especially for Bose noise cancelling headphones, they had been the industry leader for many years. At one point, for people who are flying long haul, Bose was the automatic choice. I'm not exaggerating. Right now, the Sony 1000X-M3 is regarded as the best in the industry, right? But this isn't Sony's first noise cancelling headphones. In fact, they have been making noise cancelling headphones for many years. It was only in 2016 that they made one that is marginally good enough to compete with the Bose headphones. That was the MDR 1000X, and then the 1000X-M2 in 2017, which built upon the success of the original 1000X, and then the 1000X-M3 in 2018, which sealed the deal for many people. So it took Sony a very long time to catch up with Bose in terms of technology and to earn their customers' trust. But for Microsoft to come out suddenly with a $350 pair of noise cancellers and say, hey, this is a competitor to Bose and Sony headphones, most people are gonna say, I don't think so. And when I look at this pair of headphones, yes, it is a nice looking pair. It sort of reminds me of the Beoplay H4 in terms of design, with the big fat cushions and the overall look of it. But here is why I wouldn't spend $350 on this pair of headphones. First of all, it does not support aptX HD or even aptX. So if I'm watching videos, which is what I'm all about really, I love watching videos, there will be some audio video lag. And if I were to spend $350 on a pair of headphones, hey, it better not have any audio video syncing issues. The second thing, of course, is that it doesn't fold in into a smaller box. And I think that is what is gonna hold a lot of frequent flyers back from this pair of headphones, because frequent flyers, they generally want something smaller, more compact to carry in their luggage, because it's all about luggage space. If I can cut down on the size of one thing so that I can fit in more souvenirs for my friends and family, it's a plus. and this apparently is not able to fold in for that. And the third thing is that it only supports Microsoft's Cortana voice assistant. Now, a show of hands, who among you uses Microsoft Cortana? You don't use Siri, you don't use Google Assistant, you only use Cortana. Show of hands. That's what I thought. Nobody uses Cortana. Not that I know of, okay? I'm not saying that absolutely nobody uses Cortana, because obviously if you own a Microsoft Surface laptop or Surface Pro, Cortana will be one of the built-in voice assistants that you can use. But if you're someone who uses Cortana at home, I'm interested to know what it's like in comparison with Google Assistant or Siri. So if you use Cortana, big thanks to you if you could tell me in the comment section below. But even if we ignore the last 3 reasons that I cited, the main overriding reason why the Surface headphones will not take off, it will flop, is because Microsoft, you are too late to the game and you don't have my trust yet to put $350 in your hands to give me a great pair of noise cancellers. I would rather give that money to Sony or Bose. And I don't even know if the noise cancelling is as powerful as Sony or Bose headphones. So Microsoft, you've got a lot of selling to do if you're gonna charge $350 US. So here's my take. Now what do you guys think? Is it wiser for Microsoft to come in at a lower price point, say $250 USD or $150 USD, so that they can undercut the market and at the same time gain the customer's trust? But $350 man, that's too expensive. So bros, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share this video with your friends. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't already, and remember to ring the bell to join my notification squad, because I upload videos every single week and this is the only way you'll get notified. So bros, thank you for watching. My name is Aaron. You're watching Aaron is WH. This is the best tech review channel on YouTube from Singapore, and I'll see you again in the next video. Face palm out.